guys, my name is Siddharth and I'm the founder and CEO at SNITCH. So SNITCH we basically started in 2019 and more like a B2B brand wherein we used to distribute to retailers across India. But thanks to the pandemic, we had to suddenly shift our gears, and the mission then was to sort of survive. So at SNITCH, our vision is very clear that we want to be India's fastest and largest fashion brand. In 2020 July is when we set up our own website, with barely about 35 products, team of 4 people, and 2 racks in the corner of the office was our warehouse. Since then, it's been a roller coaster ride, and Unicommerce has been a great partner in solving a lot of problems. So when we basically started our own website, everything was very manual. We used to sort of receive orders, go and pick products manually. There was no warehousing system at all. But once we started scaling, we knew that unless we don't bring in a strong partner, it would be really difficult for us to scale the business. That's when I spoke to a lot of founders, and a lot of them recommended Unicommerce to me, and the process was really smooth. Today, we ship almost 20,000 plus pieces every single day, and everything is managed by one powerful tool, that's Unicommerce. We just started our offline journey about 6 months back, and it's been phenomenal, the sort of response that we've got. And again, Unicommerce is helping us going Omni, that is fulfilling our online orders through stores and vice versa. When we started SNITCH, our basic sort of requirement was to fulfill 10 orders a day. Today we ship over 20,000 pieces across different warehouses to almost 16,000 plus pin codes.
Earlier, we used to process all our orders manually.
So we used to generate invoices and shipping labels, completely manual process. So once we started implementing Unicommerce, so the life became easier and the process was well streamlined. The pickers were streamlined in such a way or such a process where the pickers was able to find the pieces through the handheld devices. Especially the productivity was actually increased. Like I can tell you, like 2x it was increased. Once the picker brings the product to the packing table, so the packers were able to scan the pieces, and it was a semi-automated process where the shipping label and the invoice used to generate automatically. The packing process was so streamlined, and we were able to dispatch on time.
Unicommerce has played a very vital part in the SNITCH journey, right? Post I have joined, post the 0 to 1 journey, I have been working very closely with Unicommerce to scale the operations in the terms of multiple channels, multiple operation efficiency, building a lot of things which will help the end-to-end processes. We are also build a lot of API integrations with the cross-function teams, which is helping us to run the operation seamless. And in future, we have a lot of developments already been in pipeline, working towards channelizing the growth which we are trying to achieve via Unicommerce. Basically, Unicommerce works as a breathing space itself, right, where entire operation teams depends on Unicommerce. They are being pretty much cooperative.
And I think Unicommerce has been a great partner, for us to achieve this. I would definitely recommend them as a partner, and looking forward to this continuation in the partnership.
We are SNITCH!